Hi, this is Keel's Garage. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today, we dive into the world of tires to bring you the ultimate guide on the best all-terrain tires for highway. Discover the perfect balance of performance, durability, and traction as we explore the top options for your highway adventures. Let's get started. Number 1. Introducing Venom Powers Extraordinary Terrain Tires. Designed to dominate the highway, these rugged companions deliver unmatched performance and style. With their robust construction and exceptional grip, tackling any road condition becomes a breeze. The brand's dedication to quality shines through as these tires effortlessly provide a smooth and comfortable ride. Venom Powers terrain tires are the epitome of reliability and durability, ensuring your journeys are both safe and thrilling. Upgrade your highway experience today with these high-performing beasts of the road. Number 2. Falcon terrain tires are the ultimate highway companions. These tires redefine smoothness and stability on the road. With their exceptional grip and precision handling, every journey becomes a thrilling adventure. The innovative tread design ensures superior traction, keeping you in control even in challenging conditions. Falcon's dedication to quality shines through in these tires, offering an unrivaled combination of durability and performance. Say goodbye to road noise and hello to a luxurious driving experience. Upgrade to Falcon terrain tires today and embrace the true essence of highway driving. Number 3. Pirelli's terrain tires are an absolute game changer for highway driving. These bad boys deliver the perfect blend of style and performance. With their sleek design and remarkable traction, they grip the road like a vice, ensuring a smooth and stable ride. No matter the conditions, these tires excel, providing exceptional handling and control. Pirelli has truly crafted a tire that not only enhances the aesthetics of your vehicle but also elevates your driving experience. Say goodbye to worries and hello to ultimate confidence on the highway with Pirelli's terrain tires. Number 4. Goodrich's terrain tires are an absolute game changer for highway adventurers. These tires redefine smooth sailing on the road, delivering unparalleled performance and reliability. With their robust construction and advanced tread design, they effortlessly conquer any terrain, providing exceptional grip and stability. Whether it's rain or shine, these tires ensure a whisper-quiet ride while enhancing fuel efficiency. BF Goodrich has truly outdone themselves with this remarkable creation, making it a must-have for all highway enthusiasts. Buckle up and let the open road become your playground with BF Goodrich terrain tires. Number 5. Introducing the Lexani terrain tires, the ultimate highway companion. These rugged beauties are engineered to conquer the road with unmatched style and performance. With their sleek design and superior traction, they ensure a smooth and comfortable ride, even on challenging terrains. The Lexani brand has truly outdone themselves, delivering a tire that effortlessly combines durability and elegance. So, if you're seeking a tire that'll turn heads and elevate your highway experience, look no further than Lexani terrain tires. Prepare to redefine your driving adventure. In conclusion, when it comes to finding the best all-terrain tires for highway driving, there are several standout options to consider. We have explored a range of top-performing brands that prioritize durability, traction, and overall performance on both paved roads and off-road terrains. Whether you're an adventurous off-roader or someone who frequently encounters varying road conditions, investing in high-quality all-terrain tires will greatly enhance your driving experience. Thank you for watching, and we hope this video has helped you make an informed decision about the best all-terrain tires for your highway adventures.